Do you ever feel like you're just fighting an uphill battle every single morning? Well, in this explainer, we're going to show you 5 science-backed habits that can completely reshape your day and, honestly, your life. Let's get into it. You know that feeling, right? Like you're stuck in a loop, you feel like you're already behind before the day has even really started. It's so common. But the source material for today makes this really, really clear. There is absolutely nothing fundamentally wrong with you. And that's really the whole key right there. The real issue isn't some deep, unfixable flaw. It's just a lack of a system. It's a problem of morning discipline, and it's totally fixable, but it is holding you back from your potential. I mean, does that question just hit you right where you live? You wake up and boom, your mind is already distracted, you're feeling tired, and those big goals you have, they feel like they're a million miles away. The problem and the solution is all in that very first hour of your day. And this slide, it just lays it out so perfectly. Every single morning, we have a choice. One path, it builds your future, one small piece at a time. The other path, it just keeps you stuck exactly where you are. Today, we're choosing to build. Okay, so let's get into the actual system, right? These first 2 habits are the foundation. And they're not about adding more stuff to your plate, they're about taking back control from the very first minute you wake up. All right, first up, habit number 1. I want you to think of this as the very first domino you need to knock over to start a chain reaction of positive choices all day long. Look, the key here isn't about some crazy 4 a.m. wake-up call. It's about consistency. Waking up at the same time every single day trains your mind for control. If you can master this one thing, you're on your way to mastering yourself. Okay. So you've nailed down a consistent wake-up time. Great. Now we've got to protect that new discipline with habit number 2. And this one tackles the single biggest hijacker of our mornings today. And listen, this one, it's totally non-negotiable. The second you grab your phone, your focus is just shattered into 1,000 different pieces by notifications and that endless scroll. All your clarity, it just disappears and your energy drains away. You have to win this first hour back. And this just shows you why it's so hard. You're not alone in this. A staggering 90% of people just give their morning away to their phones. By simply putting it down, you immediately jump into the top 10% of people who are starting their day with real intention. Okay, so now that you've taken back control, it's time to actually fuel the system. The next 2 habits are all about creating real, sustainable physical and mental energy, not just faking it with a bunch of caffeine and sugar. Let's talk about habit number 3. This is all about flipping the switch on your body's natural energy grid, basically waking your system up from the inside out. So instead of just sitting there scrolling, we need to get our bodies activated. Now, movement isn't about some punishing hour-long workout. It's about waking up your system. You want endorphins, oxygen, energy, it all starts with just a little bit of motion. And look, this does not have to be some complicated, crazy routine. It can be so simple. A 5-minute stretch, 10 push-ups, a quick walk outside to get some sunlight. Any of these will do the trick. The only goal here is to get your body moving. Man, this is just such a powerful, simple truth. You want to feel clarity, you want to feel energized and alive, move your body. It really is that direct. All right, moving right along to habit number 4. You've activated your body, and now it's time to give it the right kind of fuel for sustained performance all day long. You know, when you start your day with a bunch of sugar from cereal or pastries, you're just setting yourself up for that big crash around 10 a.m. The solution is protein. It stabilizes your blood sugar, which gives you controlled, sustained energy, not some volatile spike and crash. I mean, just look at the difference here. It's night and day. A sugar breakfast, you get a quick energy spike, then a hard crash, brain fog, and you're hungry again an hour later. A protein breakfast, you get sustained energy, sharp focus, and you actually feel full. You really are what you eat. You have to choose to be a high-performance machine. Okay, so you've taken control. You've created energy. Now let's actually channel all that power into meaningful progress with this final crucial habit. All right, here we are, the 5th and final habit. This is the one that really separates the busy people from the productive people and helps you build real, unstoppable momentum. You know what most people do? They spend their morning avoiding the hard stuff. They do busy work, they check emails, scroll social media, all to kind of feel productive. Instead, you need to attack your most important, most difficult task first. Do it before the meetings, before the distractions, and before your brain has a chance to talk you out of it. I want you to think of your willpower like a phone battery, okay? When you wake up, it's at 100%. But every little decision, every notification, every time you scroll, it just drains that battery. So the key takeaway is this: use your maximum power on your most important work. Let's just let this sink in for a second. This whole system, all these habits, they're about creating your future. It's the small, consistent things you do morning after morning that lead to legendary results. So I'm going to leave you with this one question. You have the blueprint now. You have the 5 habits to take control, create energy, and build focus. The choice is all yours. What will you choose to build tomorrow morning?